Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. If you are viewing my channel in the very first time, so please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. So let's go Amazon KDP Marketplace and we can search. Our first niche is customizable logbook, and here the results only shows 1000 results. So obviously this is a small niche, and here we also seen a 2 review, and her BSR is also good, 63,837, and obviously we can say this is a profitable niche with low competition. So you can try to publish customizable logbook and earn money per month. So must be we can publish customizable logbook on Amazon KDP. So our second niche is simple timesheet logbook. Here the results only shows 6,000 results. Obviously this is a big niche. We definitely we do not publish as a beginner with a high competition big niche. Here we also check daily timesheet logbook. Here we can find out another low competition with good profitable niche daily timesheet logbook. Here the results only shows 1000 results. Obviously this is a small niche, and here we can see 241 review. So definitely this is a highly profitable niche, and BSR is also good, 20,572. We can check out this income rate of this book. 2572, 2572, 2572. Wow, per day sales 14, and per month sales 203. So obviously this is a highly profitable niche. And our third niche is weekly timesheet logbook. Here the results only shows 789. So obviously this is a micro niche, and here the 28 review, here 28 review, weekly timesheet logbook, weekly timesheet logbook, and her BSR is also good, 7023, and we can check out the interior design and book cover. This is a book cover, and this book cover make very easily. You can make this book cover Illustrator or Canva or Affinity Designer, etc., etc. So we can also check the interior design. Interior design is also very easy. So you can find this is a interior design using book cover front page, and you can easily design interior using Adobe Illustrator, or you can and find out this interior like content template, creative fabrica, or you can also see this example Etsy on planner design. So that's all. If you get 3 logbook niche from my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much. Thank you all.